Alright, hello everyone. Hey, welcome back to the daily update of my 1000 day challenge. Today is day 808, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, no change in terms of equity balance wise, as you can see. Other than that, what I do see actually across the board, one thing for certain is the fact that on the weekly chart, we did close on the red candlestick, but nothing to be of a significance because ultimately we still managed to close above this green box zone, which is a very clear thing, showing some signs of support, but bear in mind that it's still clearly consolidating. Price action is remaining relatively flat. I wouldn't say there's a clear support, neither would I say there's clear rejection. So clearly we have consolidation right now, that's certain for sure. So the question is, will you break to the downside and the upside? That is something that's pretty of a concern, I guess, for most of us. So we did try to break the upside here, also we tried to break the downside here, both of which failed. Even over here, we tried to break the downside, we were heavily supported, trying to break the upside, heavily rejected. So right now, I would say it really depends on whether we can clear this 50 simple moving average on the daily chart. And if we do clear that as a very first hurdle, we definitely do want it to close above that, and that would be a very first good sign of strength. Overall, we do see some sort of momentum bouncing across the board, even for today, the traditional financial market opening itself. So there are some signs of hope. But bear in mind that ultimately, for a clear trend reversal itself, we definitely still want to break above these 200-day simple moving average on the daily chart to even have a very strong clear reversal sign. In addition to that, that will also break this previous high over here and previous high over here, and that will give a clearer sign of a reversal pattern in play, especially if we do break this high along with forming higher low in that sense. All right, other than that, I don't see any potential nice trade because clearly things are still leaning towards the bearish side of things, while on the other hand, price is moving towards the upside. So this by itself is conflicting. So in which case, I don't see any nice setup for both daily and also the 4-hour chart, both of which is extremely choppy. If you're looking in terms of Bitcoin itself, there could be certain other tokens which should be more so-called clearer in that sense. In which case, I would actually lean towards those that is more bullish bias, especially those on say on a 4-hour and 1-hour chart. In which case, then you could potentially enter a long setup from a very nice pullback in that sense. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.